Is it time to buy or sell Workday stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Workday. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of August, 2025, our system has ranked Workday as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further declines ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.33% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 17.23% and negative 3.88%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of around 7.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from negative 17.88% to positive 9.15% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $186.90 and $248.40. Our latest daily update for Workday features the headline, Workday Inc. stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Thursday trading session. The stock price of Workday Inc. experienced a gain of approximately 0.0396% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, rising from $227.49 to $227.58. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.94%, with a low of $223.76 and a high of $228.10. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has gone up by nearly 3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also rose on the last day, alongside the price, reflecting a positive technical indicator, with 2 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 6 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $294, while the lowest was $205.33. Currently, the price stands 22.59%, or $66.42, below the 52-week high, and 26.89%, or $83.70, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of February, 2024, when the price hit $311.28. Workday reported fiscal quarter 2 results that exceeded expectations, yet left investors with mixed feelings. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.21, compared to a consensus estimate of about $2.09. Total revenue reached $2.348 billion, marking a 12.6% increase year over year, while subscription revenue rose 14% to $2.169 billion. The management has raised its full-year subscription revenue target. However, an outlook for the upcoming quarter that aligns with expectations, coupled with warnings about a slowdown in the education and government sectors, resulted in shares dropping approximately 4% in extended trading. Strategic initiatives include a definitive agreement to acquire Paradox, which will enhance their capabilities in conversational AI for high-volume frontline hiring. Additionally, new partnerships, such as with TeamUp9, will strengthen their implementation capacity. In the short term, the market will focus on the upcoming quarter's subscription cadence and sector exposure. Positive surprises may cushion potential losses, but guidance that aligns with expectations, along with headwinds in specific sectors, could limit near-term gains and heighten volatility. Over the long term, sustained subscription growth, combined with AI-driven acquisitions and partner expansion, is likely to enhance recurring revenue, broaden the addressable market, and reinforce Workday's competitive edge, assuming successful integration and a recovery in demand from the government and education sectors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 18th of August, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned WDAY an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald also rated WDAY as overweight, recommending an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, UBS assigned WDAY a neutral rating, advising a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, Piper Sandler similarly rated WDAY as neutral, with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, Citigroup rated WDAY as mixed, issuing a downgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Workday stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Workday. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11, 2025, and so far it has risen 6.5%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting the near-term development. Workday Inc's stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Nevertheless, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $230.13. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support at $226.83 from the short-term average. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Workday. Workday Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $222.22. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.34 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.94%. For the past week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 2.20%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Workday, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the KEE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $2.09. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Workday. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Workday is at $238.01. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Workday encounters its first support level at $222.22. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Workday from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August 2025, Eschenbach Carl M. executed an insider sale of 1,674 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of July 2025, Garfield Mark S. completed an insider sale of 451 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of July 2025, Duffield David A. conducted an insider sale of 72,551 shares of Class B common stock. On the same day, Duffield David A. also conducted an insider purchase of 72,551 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 8th of July 2025, Duffield David A. executed an insider sale of 13,638 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 20.624. In total, insiders purchased 748,385 shares and sold 1,117,001 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $217.70, reflecting a decrease of 4.34%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 8 days ago. Is Workday stock a good buy? Workday Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we do not believe these are sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated from a sell recommendation to a hold candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate Workday will open lower by $1.10, starting trading at $226.48. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. That's it. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.